Hey, thank you for checking out our line of temporary power extension cords. This is by far the safest 50 amp power cord on the market. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. The cord has a molded on 6364 plug. It's molded on so no water or moisture can get in the back. The plug is also going to light up red, indicating that it has power. Now on the connector, it's a CS6365 connector that lights up green, indicating the cord is grounded. This is in accordance with OSHA's Assured Grounding Program, so you don't get a fine at the job site. In addition to that, this cord is made with a cold weather STW jacket rated down to -40 degrees. This is the only 50 amp temporary power cord on the market that has molded on ends with a UL listing. So that's our temporary power extension cords. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our line of heavy-duty generator extension cords. If you need access to reliable power at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. Milspec Industries carries a line of generator extension cords, compatible with most of your portable gas generators. We have one here that comes with a molded on L530 or L1430 connector. This one's made in multiple lengths. It's molded on with 200 pounds of pressure so the plug will not come off. On the female end, we have 3 U-ground outlets to plug your tools into. We also make a 10-4 generator cord that comes in a 25 and 50 foot length. This cord is made with a molded on L1430 connector and molded on L1430 plug. This cord is often referenced in our industry as the hurricane cord because it's used after natural disasters. Simply use the connector on the panel on the side of your house to provide temporary power. So that's our line of generator extension cords. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Milspec Industries makes Gfci extension cords that come in a 25, 50, and 100 foot length. We also carry these 3-foot adapters that are easy to use at the job site. Simply plug them into your power source, hit the reset button to activate it. When the light comes on, you're safe and ready to work. If the Gfci trips, hit the reset button again. When it turns red, you're ready to go. These Gfci adapters come in both a single tap and triple tap outlet where you can plug 3 U-ground tools into them. So those are our Gfci adapters. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our lighting products. If you need some extra light at the job site, I've got some items here that are going to help. Let me show you them real quick. Our LED line are cool to the touch. This one here emits 5,000 lumens. It can swivel in a full 360. Nice thing is too, when you're done with it, it collapses flat for easy storage. We also carry it in a tripod version. Nice thing about this, it has 2 lights with 5,000 lumens for a total of 10,000 lumens. You can screw the top and lift it off. And then it has a periscoping neck which can go higher or lower. This is our brand new LED dome light strings. These lights are rated to 50,000 hours of service life. You can daisy chain up to 4 of them together. They're super durable and reasonably priced. We also carry a line of industrial grade light strings with protective metal cages. These light strings have an SJTW jacket. We make them in a 50 and 100 foot length with an outlet on them spaced out every 10 feet. If you have any questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Milspec Milspec Industries carries a wide line of plug-in connectors. We carry several of the major brands, and if we don't have the NEMA number of your choice in stock, we most likely can source it. We also carry our own private brand. They come ranging all the way from 30 to 20 amp, even 15 amp. The 15 amp come in lighted and non-lighted. All of our plug-in connectors are made with durable white nylon caps and a strong polycarbonate protective jacket. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver to work with them. So that's just a few of the plug-in connectors that we supply. Keep in mind, if you want us to take our plug-in connectors and wire and make a cord set to your configurations, we can do that. Feel free to call the number below if you need to place an order or to speak to one of our sales representatives. Hey, thank you for checking out our running length wire and cable. If you need a reliable, durable cord at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some features and benefits. We carry STW water resistant cable. This cable is great for any marine application you have because it can sit in water long term with no erosion occurring on the jacket. It's made with PVC vinyl, double insulated, and it has 65 strands of 30 gauge fine pure annealed copper. We also carry SEOW gray wire in a 14 and a 10 gauge. This is great for the flooring and concrete industry because it has a special non-marring jacket that won't scuff or leave any marks on the ground. We also carry STW and SJTW running length wire in black, yellow, and white. All of our power cable can be cut down to your specifications, but it's normally carried on 500 and 1,000 foot spools. So that's just a few types of running length wire and cable we make here. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our Pro Glow line of extension cords. If you're looking for a good, high visibility extension cord you're not going to lose at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. The Pro Glow extension cords are made with super high visibility, neon colored jackets. These jackets are made with a cold weather PVC vinyl. It's rated all the way down to -40 degrees without cracking. On top of that, this cord has our patented CGM feature, where when plugged in, the cord is going to light up red on the plug, indicating you have power, and the connector is going to light up green, showing that you're grounded. We did this in accordance with OSHA's Assured Grounding Program, so you don't get fines at the job site. We make this cord in a 14 gauge, heavy duty 12 gauge, and our largest size, we make it in 10 gauge. We have 7 different colors and black to choose from. So that's our Pro Glow line of extension cords. If you have any questions or you want to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our Pro Star line of extension cords. If you need a good, durable, lighted extension cord at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. This cord is constructed with a heavy-duty, cold-weather PVC vinyl jacket. It's rated all the way down to -40 degrees without cracking. Now we've got a lighted plug-in connector on it, so whether you're on either side of the cord, you're going to know that you have power. Simply plug the plug in, and both ends are going to light up orange, indicating that you have power. As well, we make it in 3 different high-visibility colors to choose from. We have it in yellow, green, and Arctic blue. We can also custom print your company name and phone number down the entire length free of charge. So that's our Pro Star line of extension cords. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our ProCap multi-outlet extension cord. If you need access to multiple outlets at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. This cord is perfect if you need some spaced outlets over a long distance. It's a 50-foot long extension cord made with a heavy-duty 600-volt STW jacket. Great thing about this cord, there's an outlet spaced out every 10 feet with a dust-proof, waterproof cap, which protects it when it's not in use. When you go to close it, you'll hear a pop. That way you know the outlet is securely covered and you won't get any water or dirt inside of it. When it's plugged in, it will light up orange, indicating that you have power. We carry it in 3 different colors to choose from. We have it in a yellow, and then we sell tons of white to the tent and wedding industry, and tons of black to the audiovisual industry. So that's our ProCap multi-outlet extension cord. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our ProLock extension cord. If you're tired of accidental disconnects at the job site, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some features and benefits. The best part about our ProLock extension cords is their locking connector. When you're at the job site, you don't want to have any accidental disconnects. We have a molded on polycarbonate connector here that's super durable. It's going to lock on to any straight blade plug, both 2-prong or 3-prong. You simply insert it into the collar. It's going to lock. At this point, you have 80 pounds of pressure without coming undone. When it's time to release the plug, you simply slide back on the collar to let go, just like a pneumatic tool. Now on top of that, this connector lights up green, indicating you're grounded. It's made with a cold weather PVC vinyl jacket that's not going to crack or become brittle on you. And the plug is going to light up amber red, showing that you have power. So that's our ProLock extension cord. If you're interested in purchasing or you have any further questions, please dial the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our line of submersible pump cable. If you need a super flexible, reliable cable out there in the field, you've come to the right place. Let me show you a few of our features and benefits. It's super flexible and easy to work with. That's because we use a fine bunch-stranded copper. The jacket is also pressure extruded, so no water gets in between the wires and the jacket. We also have a sequential footage marker down the entire length of the wire, so it's easy to measure. On top of that, we can custom print your company name and phone number on it to help prevent job site theft. We get a lot of calls asking how to strip it. It's quite easy. Simply cut a line down the jacket where the ground wire is and pull it back like a banana peel. It comes off quite easily. So that's our submersible pump cable. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Thanks for checking out our line of Swiss-made reciprocating saw blades. Whether you're cutting metal, PVC, or wood, we've got the right blade for you. Our Swiss-made bimetal reciprocating saw blades are manufactured with a heavy-duty cobalt steel edge to tackle the toughest job application. We make them in a couple different lines. Our Pro Series here are made anywhere from 4 up to 12 inches long with various amounts of teeth depending on how fine of a cut you want. But whether you're cutting pipe, galvanized pipe, rubber, or even a nail embedded in wood, we've got the right blade for you. If you really need to just cut through anything, I'd look to our Demolizer series. These are made with fewer teeth per inch for that rough cut to get the job done. So those are our saw blades. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thanks for checking out our Sub-Zero line of extension cords. If you're looking for a super flexible, cold weather extension cord, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. The Sub-Zero extension cord is made with a soft, cold weather elastomer compound rated all the way down to minus 58 degrees without cracking. This is the best cold weather cord on the market. Now on top of that, we have our patented CGM feature, where when plugged in, the plug is going to light up amber red, showing you have power. On top of that, the connector is going to light up green, showing that you're grounded. We built this feature in accordance with OSHA's Assured Grounding program, so you don't get fines at the job site. Now this cord is made in an Arctic blue color, and it's made in a 12 gauge, 25, 50, and 100 foot length. We can custom print your company name and phone number down the whole length of the cord, absolutely free of charge. So that's our Sub-Zero line of extension cords. If you need to place an order or you have any further questions, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Hey, thank you for checking out our line of UF wire. If you need a reliable, durable, direct burial cable, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. It's made with a single-stranded copper. It's sunlight resistant. It also has a sequential footage marker down the entire length of the jacket. You can bury this directly underground or put it inside a PVC pipe. We can also custom print your company name and phone number down the entire length to help prevent some job site theft. So that's our UF wire. If you have any questions or you need to place an order on it, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Thanks for checking out our line of Pro Grip welding extension cords. You need a little extra slack on that portable MIG or TIG welder? You chose the right cord. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. This cord is going to be great for you at the job site because if there's not enough room between you and your portable MIG and TIG welder and the generator, this is going to add an additional 25 to 50 feet. The cord is made with a molded on 650 connector and a molded on 650 plug. Great thing about this plug, it has a handle on the back so it's easy to pull out of the outlet. As well, these are also going to light up, indicating that the cord has power. It's made with a 600 volt STW jacket, which is rated down to -40 degrees without cracking. So that's our line of Pro Grip welding extension cords. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, please call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives. Thank you for checking out our EPDM rubber jacketed welding cable. If you need a rugged, flexible, reliable welding cable out there in the field, you've come to the right place. Let me show you some quick features and benefits. This welding cable is made with fine stranded 30 gauge copper, which is going to give you maximum pliability and flexibility under full load. The cord is made in 4 different colors to choose from. We've got black, yellow, lime green, Arctic blue, and red. As well, we also make this in a variety of gauges and aught sizes, ranging from 1/0 to 4/0 and 6 gauge to 1 gauge. Great thing about our wire too, we'll custom print your company name and phone number down the whole length of the jacket to prevent job site theft. So that's our EPDM rubber welding lead. If you have any further questions or you need to place an order, call the number below and speak to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives.